Hi Shasha, this is Cholhan and I'm going to give you some feedback on your biography presentation. And first of all, you did a good job and I learned a lot from your presentation about him. Your biography speech is clear and easy to understand. Your voice is enough and clear, so your gesture is also helpful for draw attention of audience. You write down something on whiteboard and audience can pay attention to your speech. And you try to eye contact to your audience, and that is also good. And the only thing I would suggest for next time is for spending more time on the conclusion. If you sum up in the end of a presentation, it will be more helpful for audience to understand your speech clearly. Excellent. Thank you for your speech. Have a nice day.